So through that, I created what's called the transformational ladder. So let me share my screen again. And this is how we're going to get unstuck and move forward in our lives. So you're basically peeling back the layers. So the first thing you have to figure out is where you're stuck. Oh, that's not it. I got to do this screen, I think. And click over here. Yeah. So the first thing is where are you stuck? Why must you change? What are those behaviors that aren't serving you? What are the stories you learned when you were young? What emotions have you conjured up? What are the limiting beliefs, which is really the key here, that are sabotaging you now that you developed when you were a child or at some point in your early life to help you cope with situations? And unconsciously, you've carried those limiting beliefs and they're sabotaging you in your future now or in your life now and have been. And if you don't clear them out and figure out that they're lies that you made up, you didn't have a choice when you were young, but you made those up to cope with, but they don't serve you now as an adult. And so what we do is we go through down the ladder and then we climb back up and we say, okay, well, these life events, this is why they happened. And my hero's journey tells me that this happened in my life. And here's the meaning I got from it, but it's not true. It's not true now. You know, for me, I suffered from a deep sense of unworthiness. A lot of us do. And it really sabotages us in our adult lives. But I had to realize that that's a lie. I'm completely worthy and worthy of success and love. And a lot of us don't feel like we're worthy of love and success. And we don't dwell on it. And I don't dwell on it either. I don't go back and do psychotherapy. But you need to identify where this is. Where are these limiting beliefs? And how did they get there? And just realize that they're not true. And we climb back up and we get new behaviors, new stories, and we create a new you. Where do I want to be? What do I want to do? How do I want to feel? And when we do that, then we put these into powerful visualizations that I've learned from different mentors, but primarily from Joe Dispenza.